Making and delivering the right content to your clients creates images that you will defend, that your clients will love, and images that will be adjusted to their needs and to the actual budget of the shoot. It sounds easy, but in reality, it is not that simple. When I started photography, I wanted to make art all the time. I wanted to make crazy images, the one that needed a lot of preparation, the one that needed a team, and sometimes that needed a lot of work in Photoshop. The problem is that in reality, you cannot do that all the time, especially if you're running a business. Commissioned work, editorials, private sessions, the last two, most of the time are made with really tight budgets. So you cannot go crazy on these for the sake of your company, for the sake of your own health. Obviously, I will take much more time on a 5K shoot than on a 500. That's why you can see on my Instagram and on my website, side by side, images that were made with completely different budgets. Plus, making crazy artistic images isn't always what your client needs. Pulling back, holding back, making simple, refined images is sometimes the way to go. And that's what we tried to achieve with this short session. I had to photograph 2 triathletes and make just a few images that would illustrate the athlete and the sport. I knew very early on that I wanted to make one picture with all 3 disciplines, something that I've done already in the past. The sun was setting really quickly, and I knew with this 3-in-1 image that I wanted to make, if we took too much time, this could end up being a nightmare in Photoshop. We quickly rehearsed all the poses that we needed to make, and once we were overall satisfied, it was time to shoot.
C'est les
Ah ouais,
derniers.
quand t'as remis tes bretelles, ça peut être pas mal aussi. Les deux, ouais, super.
Being able to adapt to any type of situation, to any type of project is a valuable, crucial asset. Giving and doing too much, risking being off topic can cost you a client, and you will waste a lot of valuable time. To all of you guys out there that are watching this video right now, I'm a bit curious. Tell me, what is your type, your genre of photography? What are you into? Please tell me. Please consider joining me on Instagram. I share daily stuff there, so it can be fun. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I guess I will see all of you guys next week. But until then, please have a good one. And yes, this is actually me.